We can also create a new data set from an existing data set by making use of a statement which is set statement. So let's create so we use data step. So let's name this new data set, it's new class, and we want to set. Remember that class exists within a library, so we have to use the reference, which is xl class dot class and run that. So we can be able to view this new data, which is new class, and run that. So this is how we have copied everything that existed on class table to new class table using the set statement. But we have to use the reference since this class table existed inside a library.